Welcome. My name is Susan, and I'll be your teacher here at Booked Up English. What's your name? I'm happy to see you here. Say hello in the comments. We will speak using present simple tense. Try to repeat after me. Let's go. We often add S when we ask, do you like? Let's practice. Apple. Do you like apples? Yes, I like apples. Do you like apples? No, I don't like apples. Pear. Do you like pears? Yes, I like pears. Do you like pears? No, I don't like pears. Watermelon. Listen, this one is different. We will not add s. Watermelon. Do you like watermelon? Yes, I like watermelon. Do you like watermelon? No, I don't like watermelon. What do you like? Let me know in the comments. Or send me an audio message. I'd love to hear your English. Thanks for learning today. See you soon.